Good morning, everybody. How's it going? It's Thursday. 2 more days, today and tomorrow, and we're done. All right, rig's all ready to go. We filled up yesterday with chlorine, so we have plenty of SH. Everything's nice and coiled up really nice. Always have your hoses looking like you care, okay? When I pull up, people are like impressed with the rig and the way it looks, because it looks professional. Just look professional. That's my point here today, and do things in a manner where you can do it quickly, easy, and efficiently. So hose management, when you pull up in front of the house, you know, scope it out. Today we got a pool cage, so I want to see what side of the house the pool cage is on and where the water's located when I pull up. And we're also doing the driveway, so we'll do that first today because it's a little chilly out this morning. It's been in the 60s. It's great. Supervised pressure washing is getting after it in these cool temps. It is about time. We've been baking in the sun all summer long. So we got pool cage, driveway, and then we got a mobile home after that. All right, let's get after it. Well, here we are. We got a corner lot. It goes all the way around. Driveway's over there, no big deal. We'll hit this gutter in the road. Got a very unique situation in here. You see that green in the screens there? We also have a koi pond in here. So we're gonna hit the screens from the side here. We'll go in and show you, all right? We're gonna put you on the gun for this. Then we're just gonna spot treat a couple places, clean the screens out, and we'll be good to go, all right? Let's get after it. Okay, you can see the koi ponds right there. You see the green in the screen? So what we're gonna do, well, you got stuff to do, obviously, right? I have a lot of hobbies, so. You ever asked if you're a cage so old that you possibly pressure washer? What's that?
Have you ever had a cage that's so old that when you hit it with pressure washer?
All right, see those screens? The green's gone out of there. All we gotta do is rinse it. So let's go ahead and get after that. Then we'll get out here and do the sidewalk. We'll be right with you. Switch the tip to a 40-15 wide rim. All right, ready? Let's go out here and have a look from the outside, see what we see. Pretty easy work when you get it done right. All right, let's see if the green in the screen is gone. Yeah, I don't see any in there. It's looking pretty good. Look at that, isn't that cool? Hey, I just did that. It's a cloud. All right, that's looking good. All right, now we're gonna get out here and get after this concrete. Let's get after it. All right, let's get after this thing at 10.6 gallons a minute. You can get that at a Veritech with a great install. Look at that. Let's get after it. you get the idea, right? Always do the gutter in the road. Notice how I did the corner all the way out. You know why I did that? Because I'm super blessed. That attracts attention. This is a nice corner lot. I gave that guy a bunch of cards, so you know, you do that and you gain business. All right, we'll be back for a final review on this. The screens came out really nice. The pond's happy, he's happy. Let's just get after this and we'll be back. Let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. Look at that sidewalk, beautiful. All the way to the end, the gutters and the road's nice and clean. Now this person here and this person, I used to do this guy, the guy that used to own it. Now they want me to do it. They also want me to clean the rest of this concrete. Look how nice and clean this is. I always leave a smiley face at the end of the concrete. Anyway, and we got the screen out of the koi pond and all the mold off the beams in there. He's very happy about that. Oh yeah, you can't see anything in the screens. Came out great. And of course the driveway all the way around is good. All right, I'm done. Let's go do this mobile home after lunch. Get after it. Hey, here we are, job number 2. And it's a dirty sucker. You can see the dirt on it. Just look at it. See all this dirt? It's all algae, black algae. It always gets accumulated up here. All right. This side over here gets all the green stuff along the top. And there's always some right along here. It's not too bad this year. And the back's not bad. Okay, we're good. Start the front, go that way. Down that other side of the house over there. Got to get inside the screen porch as well. So we'll go ahead and SH all this down in here. Ceiling and everything. Then we'll go ahead and work our way around. Then we'll rinse it. The driveway's not going to need it because it looks pretty clean. All right, let's get after it. All right, we're done all the way around the back, all the way around, rinsed up to the porch here. Now we're going to go in and rinse the porch out. I want to grab this hose here first so it isn't killing everything on the way out. These little landscape borders can be a pain if you got them big. There you go. All right, now we're going to get in here and get this porch done. Get that rinsed out. Head this way. Look how nice and clean it looks though. Looks beautiful. All right, we'll be back for a final review. Let's get after it. All right, that's going to be a wrap for today. Check it out. Everything looks great. How nice and white this thing is. How clean. Woohoo! Look at that. It's almost blinding. All right, ceiling's all good. Driveway looks great. Porch is all cleaned out inside there. Looks good. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing, and that's how you get after it. See you tomorrow.